Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about terms associated with motion, lecture number 2. This is my second lecture related to terms of motion. If you want to watch first lecture, the link is in the description. Now let's start our video. In this video we are going to discuss about speed and velocity. Well, speed and velocity both have the same meaning, that how much fast or slow the body is moving, but they are different. Let's discuss how they are different from one another. Well, speed is the time rate of change of distance. Speed tells us how fast the body is moving without telling us the direction of the body. Mathematically, we can calculate the speed of any body with the help of speed formula, which is equal to distance over time. Or we can write S is equal to d by t, where d is the distance and t is the time. While velocity is the time rate of change of displacement. Velocity tells us how fast the body is moving, as well as the direction of the body. Mathematically, we can write the formula of velocity as displacement over time. Or we can write that S is equal to d by t. In this case, d is the displacement and t is the time. Well, speed tells us only magnitude, so speed is the scalar quantity, while velocity tells us magnitude as well as the direction of the body, so velocity is the vector quantity. That's why we use the arrow over the symbol of the velocity. Now, let's understand the concept of speed and velocity with the help of an example. Imagine you are going for a walk in a park. You walk 300 meters in 5 minutes. To find out how fast you are walking, you can calculate your speed with the help of speed formula. Now, you walk 300 meters in 5 minutes in the park towards east. Then in this case, to find out how fast you are walking, you can calculate your velocity due to the addition of direction with the help of velocity formula. So students, this is the concept of speed and velocity. In the next video, we will discuss about acceleration and deceleration. So don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.